Dubai Imperial offer a look at his new outing to Courchevel. Her Majesty Sheikh Mahra Rashid Al Maktoum, better half Sheikh Mana Al Maktoum, are at present spending their cooler time of year vacation in Courchevel, France. Proceeding with his excursion in Courchevel, the Dubai Imperial left on a helicopter experience to get nearby look at the delightful snow-clad mountains. Sheikh Mana took to Instagram to share a video of himself entering a helicopter on a chopper cushion a mountain top. The slope embellished with snow and the rich vegetation of curious trees make a genuinely extraordinary landscape. Situated on the French-Italian line, Sheikh Mana spotted Mont Blanc, the most northward top in the Alps and Western Europe, bragging a level 4,800 meters. The illustrations additionally share a captivating photograph displaying the weight of a snow gathered on the top of the mountain. At long last, Sheikh Mana made a quick arrival back on the helipad, sharing a look at the curious bungalows and ski lift somewhere far off, illustrating this blanket village. Over the course of the end of the week, Her Highness Sheikh Mahra embodied a wonderful picture to Sheikh Mana as they visit the French spot. The picture incorporates a wonderful tree behind this scene and pleasant white frigid air. Courchevel, a famous travel objective situated in the French Alps, is known for being the biggest ski region on the planet, permitting guests to investigate the Golan Mountain and backward. This isn't the principal visit for Sheikh Mana to Courchevel this year. In spring, the Dubai Regal shared photograph of his skiing experience on Instagram.